Welcome, and it's less than a week to Christmas. In fact, it's only a few days, and we'll be able to open our presents. I love presents. I love Christmas too. It's a great time of the year. And we've got a number of guests on. We'll be talking to some of the stars during the year of TOOP TV and what their thoughts are about 2012 and looking forward into 2013 and the things that you can expect from TOOP+TOOP. And also we're at SA's finest at Beaumont to look at a beautiful home. And it'll be the last one, once again for the year. And then we have our weekly market report, which will be interesting. And we've got some really interesting sales in our Going, one in particular. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. It sure is the countdown to Christmas, and we're getting pretty excited. The only thing is we've been so busy work-wise that I haven't had a chance to really get into it. But as probably usual, Christmas Eve we'll be out buying presents and have a really, I just love Christmas, but whew, it's been busy at work. Anyway, that's the good news. And now today we're looking at what happened last year, and we've got some of the stars in the office with us, and just checking out, where the year's been, where it's heading next year. The offices will be manned over the entire break, but obviously most will be taking a bit of a break and getting and refreshing and ready for the new year. And the sales partners will be off, hopefully taking some really well-earned break, I must say, from Christmas Eve right through until the 5th of January, but then it's on again. So back to absolutely the new year, and hopefully with a massive year in front of us starting on the 5th of January. But now let's go for the inside story on what 2013 looks like in terms of the property market.
A lack of confidence has plagued the real estate market throughout 2012, and the question on everybody's lips is, will 2013 be a better year to buy property? National Property Editor for News Limited Kylie Davis believes next year will provide much better conditions to purchase a home as key factors in the market have changed, which include 1. Interest rates dropping to a 25-year low of 3%. 2. Property prices hitting rock bottom, where according to RP Data's Tim Lawless, markets across the nation have come through the worst when it comes to falling property prices and are now starting to recover. 3. You can take your time, as while the market is quiet, there's less competition for property and more chances to look at the home before you make an offer. 4. Having the power to negotiate, as vendors know property prices have dropped considerably over the past few years and are more willing to budge on price, as this is the only way they're going to sell. 5. Stable employment conditions, where unemployment currently sits at 5.2%, and this figure has remained consistent over the year according to the Australian Bureau of Statistics. 6. Having access to finance, as the federal government has introduced positive credit reporting, which in many cases will outweigh a poor credit history, making it easier to obtain a loan. 7. We have a strong economy, where the stability of the Australian banking system has protected us from the worst of the financial stress in the US and Europe. So while confidence still won't be at its peak, these are the 7 reasons which can help you put your mind at ease.